Today, I'll show you how to turn on your mouse pointer on your phone. So guys, if this is the reason why you are actually watching this video, then let's get to the point without wasting time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment, as that would tremendously help grow my channel. While tapping on your screen, you will be able to show people where you are actually tapping on your screen. For instance, if you are doing a tutorial on your Android screen, it's actually important to show your audience directions by using the mouse cursor, so that others will be able to know where you are tapping. Make sure to watch this video until the end. So the first step is to go over to settings, and under settings scroll downwards, then you tap on about phone, then on software information. Now start tapping on build number. When you start tapping, a message will appear with a countdown. Keep on tapping until countdown is 0 and message will disappear. A request will appear asking you to unlock your screen. Once done, a message comes saying developer mode has been enabled. Now go back to settings and scroll down. Right at the bottom is developer option. Tap on it and scroll down until you come to input. Under that is show taps. Enable it. Once that's done, cursor or pointer will appear as a small circle wherever you tap on the screen. So now you can see it as I'm scrolling. The mouse console has been turned on. If you got value from this, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, get notified. See you in our next upload. Thank you and bye bye.